Hello students, today we will discuss about the oxidation of alcohol. Alcohol, primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. When primary alcohol, here we are taking the oxidizing agent, oxidizing is acidic or alkaline KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7 solution. When primary alcohols are oxidized, they give aldehyde, and aldehyde are further oxidized to give carboxylic acid. Primary alcohol are oxidized to aldehyde and aldehyde are oxidized to carboxylic acid. And basic concept we have to study here, there is no change in the number of carbon atom. All have same carbon atom. All the products same number of carbon atom. If alcohol has one carbon atom, aldehyde will have one carbon atom, carboxylic acid will have one carbon atom. Basic, you have to understand concept here. If alcohol consists of two carbon atom, aldehyde which will form will have two carbon atom and carboxylic acid will have only two carbon atom. When we oxidize the secondary alcohol is oxidized into ketone, and ketone are further oxidized into mixture of carboxylic acid. And here alcohol and ketone have same carbon atom. They have same number of carbon atom. It has different carbon atom. Less number of carbon atom present in the case of carboxylic acid. If we oxidize the tertiary alcohol is converted to ketone, and oxidation of ketone gives mixture of carboxylic acid. Here all these have different carbon atom. All the compounds have different number of carbon atoms. Repeating again, primary alcohol on oxidation gives the aldehyde, and aldehyde on oxidation gives the carboxylic acid, but all the compounds have same carbon atom. But we have oxidized the secondary alcohol on oxidation gives the ketone, and ketone on oxidation gives the mixture of carboxylic acid. But alcohol and ketone have same carbon atom, while the carboxylic acid have less number of carbon atom. If we oxidize the tertiary alcohol on oxidation gives the ketone, and ketone on oxidation gives the mixture of carboxylic acid, and all the compounds have different carbon atom. This is the criteria for you can say differentiate between the primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. And I am using the equation relating to this one. In the oxidation of primary alcohol gives aldehyde and aldehyde gives carboxylic acid, but there is no change in the number of carbon atom. For example, CH3OH. This is methanol. It has one carbon atom. On oxidation, it gives HCHO. It is known as methanol. Our common name is formaldehyde. On further oxidation it gives HCOOH. It is called methanoic acid. Common name is formic acid. All the compounds have one carbon atom. Another primary alcohol CH3CH2OH. This is ethanol. It consists of, it has two carbon atoms. On oxidation of the ethanol, we get CH3CHO. This is ethanol. Common name acetaldehyde. On further oxidation of it gives CH3COOH. This is ethanoic acid, or you can say acetic acid. In the case of primary alcohol, all the this has one carbon atom, alcohol has one carbon atom, that is the aldehyde, and carboxylic acid have one carbon atom. Ethanol, you can see ethyl alcohol has two carbon atom, aldehyde and acetic acid is formed. This is acetaldehyde, this is acetic acid. All they have two carbon atom. It is primary alcohol. On oxidation is aldehyde and carboxylic acid, but there is no change in the number of carbon atom. When we oxidize the secondary alcohol, it gives ketone. Alcohol and ketone have same number of carbon atom. Same number of carbon atom. On oxidation of secondary alcohol, example is CH3CH3CHOH. This is isopropyl alcohol. It has 3 carbon atom. On oxidation by the acidic K2CR7, it gives CH3CO. This is acetone. IUPAC name is propanone. It has also 3 carbon atom. On further oxidation of acetone, we get CH3COOH plus HCl mixture of carboxylic acid. This is ethanoic acid and this is methanoic acid. Ethanoic acid and this is methanoic acid. It has 3 carbon atom, it has 3 carbon atom, it has 2 carbon atom, it has 1 carbon atom. It is a case of secondary alcohol. Now we come to the tertiary alcohol. When tertiary alcohol is oxidized, it gives ketone and mixture of carboxylic acid. But in this case, all the compound have different carbon atom. Tertiary alcohol CH3CH3CH3COH. It is known as tertiary butyl alcohol. It has 4 carbon atoms. On oxidation, it gives ketone, that is CH3CH3CO. This is acetone, or you can say propanone. It has 3 carbon atoms. On further oxidation, it gives formic acid plus acetic acid. This is formic acid and this is acetic acid. Tertiary butyl alcohol contains 4 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4. On oxidation, it is acetone, that is propanone. acetic carbon atom. Further oxidation of acetone gives formic acid and acetic acid. IUPAC name this one is methanoic acid and this one is ethanoic acid. It contains one carbonate, it contains two carbon atom. That is why you will see that number of carbon atom is different in all the compounds. In the case of tertiary alcohol,